everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. Here we are going to discuss one of the very important map features, that is the rivers, right? Rivers, there are so many rivers are there. Those rivers, how you have to mark it on the given map, right? We'll discuss those things one by one, right? First of all, you need to know what are there in your syllabus for your 2023, right? So here you can see Indus, Jhelum, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Kosi, Chambal, Beth, so many rivers, right? But here I'll give you some easy tricks how to remember those rivers, right? So first of all, you do one thing, put first three river in one part. What are those? That is the Indus, Jhelum and Satluj. Remember, Indus is the main river, Jhelum and Satluj, that is the tributaries of Indus rivers, right? Next is what? That is the Ganga, Yamuna, Kosi, Chambal, Betua, right? And Damodar also. That belongs to the Ganga river. Those belongs to the Ganga river family. So you need to remember in that way, right? Next one, Brahmaputra. That will be one single river in the northern side. We'll do it later on. Next, Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra. Those are there in the southern part of India. Among them, Narmada and Tapi. Remember, those are the western flowing rivers. Narmada and Tapi, those are the western flowing rivers, and then Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, those are the eastern flowing rivers. So let's start first with the Indus river. So what are those rivers are there in the Indus rivers? So what are those rivers you need to mark in the Indus river? First, that is the Indus rivers and two tributaries, that is the Jhelum and Satluj. How you will mark? You have to use the blue color, but make sure you just need to highlight the line, river line. Already it will be marked along with your given map. Just you need to highlight the river line. And one more thing, you need to highlight the river line from start to last, from the river source to river mouth, right? So let's start with the Indus river. Remember, that is the northern side most line, that is the Indus river. So you need to start from here. And you have to go, and then it will come down. You have to enter in Pakistan also, and you need to mark it till end. But one more thing, where you need to write Indus, you need to label. Labeling should be there on Indian part. Am I clear? Labeling should be there on Indian part. Next, two tributaries are there, right? According to your syllabus, there are 5 tributaries of Indus, but according to your syllabus, you need to know about 2. That is the Jhelum and Satluj. How will you remember? Jhelum one is the topmost one. So below the Indus river, this part you can see, that is the Jhelum river. Jhelum river, again you need to start and you need to finish it there, where it will join with the Indus river. That is the Jhelum. First one and the last one. Which is the last? Last one is the Satluj river. So Satluj river, you can see Jammu Kashmir portion, it will be separated from the rest of the India. So this one, it is, you can see, that is the Satluj river. Here it will go up to this much, right? Any one it will come. So you need to mark any one river from here, right? Now this is the Indus river. The Indus, and along with the two tributaries, that is the Jhelum and Satluj. Now we'll go for the another rivers, that is the main river Ganga, and along with the main river, there will be the tributaries of Ganga river. What are those? Yamuna, Kosi, Chambal, Betua, Damodar. Yamuna, Kosi, Chambal, Betua, Damodar. So how you have to mark? First you need to know about the Ganga river. Ganga river is this one, right? Not the first one. First one is the Yamuna river. So first you need to mark Ganga river. So it will go like this, and it will go till the end. It will enter in India. So that much you need to mark it. That is the Ganga river. Now how will you remember? You know the tributaries. Just remember anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise you need to remember. So after Ganga, anti-clockwise. No, next one is the Yamuna river. Okay, Yamuna river, you need to mark up to where it may join with the Ganga river. That is Yamuna. After Yamuna, what is there next? That is the Chambal. Anti-clockwise, next one it will come Chambal. It will be there like this. This one is the Chambal. Next one, after Chambal, next one is Betua. Next river is not there according to your syllabus. Next, Damodar we discussed so many times for Chatnagpur Plateau as well as Jharia Coalfield, right? So the Y shape. So this one you need to mark, that is the Damodar. This one you need to mark it, that is the Damodar. After the Damodar, what is there next? Next one is the Kosi. Remember, Kosi is the left hand tributaries of Ganga river. It is there, left hand side. So left hand side, which are the rivers are there? You can see. Remember, for Kosi, there's a symbol like 7. This symbol you need to remember. So how we are writing 7? So here you can see 7 like structures are there. So that one is a Kosi. So these are the Ganga rivers. These are the Ganga rivers family, right? You need to remember those rivers in that way, right? So I repeat, Ganga river, then anti-clockwise, then Yamuna, Chambal, Betua, and here it is Damodar. And in the only one left hand tributaries of Ganga, that is a Kosi. That is a 7. That you need to remember the concept of 7, right? That is a Kosi. One more important river in North India, that is a Brahmaputra river. So Brahmaputra river, here you can see, it start from here, and it will go, and it will enter in through the Arunachal Pradesh, right? And although from where it starts and till the time it enters in India, is known as Sangpo, right? But you need to mark all those things. When it enters in India, that time it is known as Brahmaputra river, right? And then it enters in Bangladesh, but you need to mark till the Bangladesh until the time it's joined with the Bay of Bengal. You need to mark all those things, but you need to name it Brahmaputra. That is only on Indian part. You need to mark from river source to river mouth, but naming should be there on Indian part, right? So those are the North Indian rivers basically. Now let's go with the South Indian rivers. Again, as I said, South Indian rivers further divided into two groups. One, that is according to the flow direction, Narmada and Tapi. Those are the western flowing river. I repeat, Narmada and Tapi, these two are the western flowing rivers, right? And next, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, those are the eastern flowing rivers, right? So let's start with the first one, that is Narmada and Tapi. That's very easy. Western flowing, you can see southern part of India, western flowing, only two lines are there. So upper one is the Narmada. Here you can see upper one is the Narmada and lower one is the Tapti. You need to mark it and you need to name it there only. That's better. Next one, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra. Remember, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, that it will be there in the same sequence from top to down. So first one is Mahanadi. Mahanadi, you can see it here. This one is a Mahanadi, right? Next, Godavari. Godavari is here. You can see next one is the Godavari river, right? Godavari river. Next, Krishna. Here you can see the two rivers are there, right? So upper one is the Krishna. Upper one you need to mark for Krishna river, right? And remember, this is the lower part is the tributary of Krishna river. Which is the tributary? That is the Tungabhadra. So this one you have to mark only this much. You need to mark for Tungabhadra. Next, last one, that is the Kaveri, the southernmost part of India. Here you can see. Similarly, you need to practice, but remember, practice in the same map, right? Along with the river line. Don't, other type of map available in the market. You need to practice in the same map, which is to be distributed in the examination hall by the council. You need to practice on the same map. Practice in same way, and you can get 10 out of 10 in the map work very easily. Thank you very much. All the best.